The biggest lie you've ever been told on the guitar is that once you learn this pentatonic scale, you will be good. And actually, it's not at all true. So if you really want to take your sound from amateur to pro level, what you have to understand is that scale is secondary. What you should be doing is playing triads first and then sprinkling those pentatonics on top. Let me show you exactly what that sounds like. If you want a deeper dive on this subject, you can check out the course link below. We go through everything. It's called the Fretboard Breakthrough, and it goes through all the things you need to take your playing from amateur and boring to sounding like a pro. It covers in depth triads, pentatonics, the major scale, and arpeggios. And really, the focus of the course is to get you playing over chord changes. So you can take a look at the course below in the description. So what you can do is visualize a B minor triad and an E triad. Now this chord progression goes B minor to E. And the way you can take your playing from boring to exciting is by playing literally just those chords. B minor to E. And then as the chords are changing, you notice, okay, I can keep this note the same because that note is the exact same between the two chords. That's a B note. But the other two notes, this D note and this F sharp, actually go up a whole step between the B minor and the E. You can see that change. Okay? So as you start to solo, you need to start understanding, okay, you can play these triads, maybe one note at a time. That's called an arpeggio. And then when you want to add some blues accents or you just want to add a little sprinkle on top, you can use your pentatonics. So something like this. And then your playing goes from very, very dull, that's dull, to having a sense of motion. Now I really want you to hear the difference between just playing pentatonics and playing the triads sprinkled with pentatonics on top. You can hear the difference. This is not as interesting as so if you really, really want to take your playing seriously, it's not rocket science. It's not some fancy, crazy, hard to understand formula. It's very, very simple. You play your triads, you play these 3-note chords, and you sprinkle the pentatonics on top. Let's hear how that sounds. If you want a deeper dive on this stuff, take a look at the course in the description. It will have you playing over chord changes within one weekend. Now that you understand how to play over these type of chord changes, you're going to want to check out this video so you can start playing over different major style chord changes.